তৃতীয় শ্রেণীর সিটি পরীক্ষার প্রশ্ন ইংলিশ। অ্যান্সার দি ফলোইং কোশ্চেন। এ. হোয়ার ডাজ পড়শি লিভ? পড়শি লিভস ইন কুষ্টিয়া। হোয়ার ডাজ পদ্মা গ্রুপ clean in the first week? Padda group cleans classroom in the first week. C. Who supervise the groups of students? The head teacher supervise groups of students. D. When does Surma groups clean garden? Surma groups clean garden is a fourth week. How many classes are there in a group of students? There are 3 classes in a group of students. শূন্যস্থান। Porshi goes to a dash school. Porshi goes to a primary school. B. A dash leads a students group. A teacher leads a students group in the third week. Dash group cleans the wash block. In the third week, Jamuna group cleans the wash block. I leave the dash garden. I leave the roof garden. Do the students dash their school? Do the students love their school? Porshi live. True and false. Porshi lives in a Jasur. False. Students help each other. True. The head teacher also helps the student. False. Students don't use bin always. True. Porshi likes the cleaning activities. True. তাহলে আজকের ভিডিওটি এই পর্যন্তই। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।